What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when photo mode is missing on your TikTok account. Start by restarting your device. This simple action can often fix temporary bugs or glitches that might affect the TikTok app. To restart an iPhone, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the drag to slide off screen appears. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your device. Afterward, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on and your device is rebooted. A successful restart will refresh the system and clear any software issues affecting the missing photo mode. In case the problem persists, then ensure your TikTok app is up to date. Outdated versions of apps can lead to functionality problems, such as missing features. To update TikTok, open your App Store and tap on a search bar at the lower right. Search for the app in the address bar and navigate to TikTok. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap on it to install the latest version of the app. If updating the app doesn't bring back the photo mode, the next step is to verify your TikTok app permissions, specifically for photos. Open up your device's settings. Search for TikTok and tap on it to open the app settings. Ensure TikTok has full access to your photos. This permission is necessary for the photo mode to function correctly. If all else fails, proceed to open a TikTok application. Head over to your profile by tapping on a profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then, click on the three lines on the top right corner to access more options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Within your TikTok settings, scroll down until you find the Report a Problem option and tap on it. This will take you to a menu where you can find help for various issues. Scroll down to Account and Profile, and under this section, choose Editing Profile. Then select Other, followed by Need More Help. This will lead you to a page where you can describe your issue to TikTok support. In the message box, explain that photo mode is missing on your account. After submitting your request, wait for about 24 to 48 hours for TikTok support to respond. They are the ones who can help resolve the issue directly. It may take some time for them to get back to you. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.